Hey there, TV troubles got you down. Dealing with a malfunctioning screen can be frustrating and confusing. This week, I've got some expert guidance on how to fix a corrupted Toshiba TV. Whether it's display issues, sound problems, or the remote not responding, this guide will help you troubleshoot and get your TV back in working order with some simple steps. Step 1. Perform a power cycle. The first and simplest method for addressing a corrupted Toshiba TV is performing a power cycle. This process is a soft reset that can solve most common issues. 1. Turn off your TV. Use the remote control or the power button and turn off your Toshiba TV. 2. Unplug the TV. Wait for at least 5 to 10 minutes to ensure the TV is completely powered down. 3. Plug back in. After waiting, plug the TV back into the power outlet. 4. Turn on the TV. Power on your TV and check if the issue has been resolved. Step 2. Check your connections. Corrupted images or inconsistent audio can stem from improper connections. Here's how to make sure everything is hooked up correctly. 1. Inspect cables. Check all HDMI, coaxial, and audio cables to ensure they're securely connected. Replace any damaged or frayed cables. 2. Switch inputs. Try connecting to different input sources or using another HDMI port to ascertain whether the problem is with the input channel. 3. External devices. Disconnect any external devices like gaming consoles or streaming boxes to evaluate if they're causing the issues. Step 3. Update TV firmware. Outdated software may lead to frequent glitches. Follow these steps to update your Toshiba TV. 1. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu using your remote control. 2. Select System Update. Locate and select the System Update option. 3. Install updates. If there's an update available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet for the download process. 4. Restart the TV. Once updated, restart your TV to apply changes. Step 4. Factory reset. If all else fails, a factory reset can often clear persistent errors. Be aware that this will erase all settings and save data. 1. Enter Settings menu. Use your remote to go to the menu. 2. Select Reset to Factory Defaults. Follow on-screen instructions to initiate the reset. 3. Confirm reset. Accept prompts to confirm you want to reset your TV. 4. Set up TV again. After the reset, go through the initial setup process as prompted. Step 5. Consult a professional. If your Toshiba TV continues to experience problems after following these steps, it may need professional repair service. Contact Toshiba support or a certified repair technician for further diagnostics. Fixing a corrupted Toshiba TV doesn't have to be a daunting task. With these troubleshooting steps, you can tackle common problems and potentially save on costly repairs. From power cycling to checking connections, updating firmware, or performing a factory reset, each step brings you closer to a solution. Remember, if the issue persists, don't hesitate to reach out to professionals. Restore your TV to its pristine condition and get back to enjoying your favorite shows and movies in no time.